Okay, today we have this really cool 1966 AMC Rambler Marlin. It was originally a AMC 327 car. It now has a Chevy drivetrain, a small block Chevy 350 with an overdrive 700R4. Some Flowmasters. It's a little chilly out here today. So the interior's been all redone. No cracks in the dash. The seats are in great shape. Carpet's in great shape. Headliner's in great shape. Really nice car. Really cool car. You just don't see these things. Pop the hood for you real quick. If I can find the latch. There it is. Somebody's going to put a little show mirror thing on there. It does have power steering, no power brakes though. It is four-wheel drums. They work fine, you just have to power through them without the power assist. Runs good, doesn't really leak anything. Really nice car. Try to get a little closer down the body lines for you. I can't find any rust in this thing. Not exactly sure where it originated from, but I don't think it was in the rust belt. Side. He's got a tack in it that I think it's got a bad ground on the tack because it bops around a little bit. Speedo does not work. I mean, it moves, but it does not. It's not accurate at all. It says you're going way faster than you are. All the idiot gauges seem to work. The fuel gauge works to an extent. Yeah, I do need to put more fuel in it. The temperature gauge has been moved down here actually, so the one on the dash is disengaged, but this one does work. Stays about 190 most of the time because it's got electric fan. The original stereo will make static. Clock does not work, but it's there. I'm sure you could have it rebuilt if you wanted. Lights, everything else seems to work. Horn works. With this wonky shifter in it. It's got the odd pace setter cruise control that I haven't even attempted to try. I don't think it's hooked up. But that's it. It was built in '06 for the Power Tour. See there, it went on the Power Tour long haul. Really nice car that you get all kinds of questions about when you're driving this thing. It drives cool too. It's pretty dang quick. Got any questions, call Brian, 256-746-3500, Red Goat Motors. Thanks.